This is Aunty Claire. Good morning. Aunty Claire, today, Wednesday, the 18th of February, I'm gonna do some brown stew fish. And you can see the fish then. This one called pagi. Lots of fish. See them? The big, pretty. I just pour some of these seasoning on it. You have the Maggi. You have the all-purpose season, ginger, fish season, right? And I'm gonna cook it with some pumpkin, yam, chocho, dumpling. And I'm gonna do some brown stew fish. You can see the fish, them big and pretty. I'm doing a lot of fish, okay? So I want you to like, share, subscribe, tell the people them to subscribe, touch the notice button. Don't forget, this is the way Aunty Claire do her thing. So subscribe to the channel, subscribe to the channel, please, and thank you. Yes, this is the way I do it. So like it, share, subscribe to the channel, Aunty Claire Jamaican cooking channel. I'm doing some brown stew fish, but I season up my fish with a lot of seasoning, right? Then I will be frying them down, so you can see. Pretty, don't it? Like, share, don't forget to touch the notice button, comments down below, right? Share it, tell your friend, tell brother, sister, other family, right? Like it up and subscribe to it. Don't forget to touch the notice button, tell a friend all the time to share, like, and subscribe to the channel, please, and thank you. Yes.
That's it.
Yeah.